how to sign out of YouTube account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign out of YouTube account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to sign out of YouTube account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application here. And let's say that you are using YouTube by signing into your Google account, but you don't want to use it with your Google account, you just want to sign it out. Just tap your YouTube profile icon here, tap on the switch account button, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option called use YouTube signed out. So all you have to do is tap the use YouTube signed out option and you'll be successfully signed out. Now this process is only available for iPhone users. If you are using Android, you have to remove the Google account from your device itself in order to sign out of YouTube. This way you should be able to sign out of YouTube account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.